Hey, I just want to say thank you so much for watching me show you how to paint a very simple sky in oil. This is perfect for any brand new traditional or wet on wet painter because it allows you to work on blending of colors. And these pieces actually look fantastic on your wall. Since they're minimalistic, they actually add a nice modern touch to your home. So give it a try. And if you want to give it a try, I did you a favor and put links down below of all the colors that I use and how I change the colors to be more pale, plus all the supplies that I use. And every time you click through one of those links, it really helps me out. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go above and beyond and become a YouTube channel member. Now, this is just the first in a series of skies that I plan on doing. In fact, it's gonna be called Minimalistic Skies. If there's one that you would like to recommend to me, so that way I can make a video on it, hey, do me a favor and leave that comment down below. But if you wanna see more and the playlist is ready, you can check it out over here to the right-hand side. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Take care, and of course, peace.